Alright, so don't question the background. We got some internet browsing today. Wanted to focus primarily on the DSLR, so we got a bunch of accessories, just two for this vid. Lens cap holder and mini tripod for the tables. We're gonna see how we get these busting, if I can get them to work. If I fail miserably, let's find out. Try to get as much of this as possible on the screen in the meantime. So what is taking place now is the 4 prints on time lapse, sped up, and crop, just so you could quickly see the process of getting those out. Yes, my print bed is filthy. Yeah, there's the print and stuff. If you really need that, I got you. Now this is essentially just the finished product. You know, my post-production quality is never really that good. The only thing that's normal is the fucking lens cap holder, and as you can see right now, it's going to fucking fall off. Hey y'all, look at this. Look at this. It's a ghetto tripod. I swear to God, I got one. I just needed the handheld one, like a little desktop one. You know, type shit. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I knocked the mic down. I don't even know if it's still plugged in or not. It is still plugged in. Yeah, nah. I might leave that in there. There was so much panic on my face. Holy shit. Alright. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. This shit kind of sucked, bro. I kind of feel like showing off some other stuff I printed. I'll be right back. I'm not saying it's impressive or anything, because it's far from that.